In this video, we are going to continue practicing adding and subtracting mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Make sure you put your name up here on the top, and if you could, also put today's date, because a lot of these pages are looking exactly the same and I want to go back and look at your work. So this first one, we're going to start with our least common denominator of 2 and 7. And if you want to pause the video and write these down and try them on your own, you can always go back through and watch it and see how you did on your answers, or go back and figure out what you did wrong if you missed any. So you just use this to help you do your practice. So we're going to list out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all the way to 14. I'm going to stop at 14. Denominators of 4, 7, and 14. So I'm going to change these into 14ths. We know 7 times 2 is 14, so we're going to do 2 times 2 here and put a 4. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 7 is 7. Now I'm going to add 4 plus 7 and get 11 14ths. Be really careful not to forget about these whole numbers. I see a lot of kids do that. You still have to add the 3 and the 2. You get 5 and 11 14ths. This next one, we're going to look for the least common denominators of 3 and 6. Multiples of 3, 3, 6. I can stop here because I have my winner. Now I don't need to change 1/6. All I have to do is change 1/3 into the equivalent fraction of 2/6. Now I'm just adding 2/6 plus 1/6 is 3/6. 1 plus 2 is 3. But I'm not done yet, because 3/6 can be simplified. I can divide it by 3 and simplify it to 3 and 1/2. I also look at the fact that 3 is half of 6, so I'm automatically seeing 1/2, but it helps you too to write this down if you're having trouble with it. Last addition one, least common denominator of 4 and 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to change them both into 20ths here. Four times 5 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I'm adding 5 plus 8. And I get 13 20ths. And I can't forget about the 7 and the 3. I got to put a 10 here. 13 is prime, so this can't be simplified. On this row, we're doing subtraction, so you have to switch gears. A lot of kids accidentally add all these. Be careful on these. Your least common denominator of 4 and 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. That's going to be my winner. I only have to change this top one. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I'm subtracting 12 minus 5, and I get 7 16ths. 6 minus 2 is 4, and I'm done. Next one here, least common denominator of 4 and 8. A lot of you probably have these down because we've used them a lot. My LCD is 8. I don't have to change 3/8.